This is a simple localization flow implementation. I start the application and you can see I have an English text with a placeholder. Placeholder is always updates. I can play audio.
English language is selected.
I can play video. And I can change language. I go for example and change to German. This image in background is too localized. I can click on German and you can see the English image changed to German English. If you go back, you can see the text is updated to German text. The audio file is replaced.
Deutsche Sprache ist ausgewählt.
The same for the video file. And then I can go and change to Russian language. The image updates and all text. The placeholder stays and change always. I can play
Выбран русский
audio file
язык.
and the video file. And if I select again German, for example, and close the application and then again start the application, you can see text is German again. The application saves my configuration or my selection for language.